So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you keep on wondering what's the status of your battery every time you drive your car, or even before you start your car, you don't even know what's the status of your battery, if it's still good or what. So I have this little gadget here, something that we can install so easily. And yeah, this is fairly cheap. It's about 15 bucks US and $25 Canadian. So with this little thing, you're gonna completely eliminate the guesswork on what is the status of your battery. And also, instead of wondering, do I need to charge my battery or not? This will tell you the battery needs to be charged. So guys, let's get started. So this is the CTEK comfort indicator eyelet, and here you can tell what's the status of your battery according to the light output on the side of this connector. So the red means you need to charge now, yellow means charge, or if your battery is still okay if it's green. So probably you're wondering, oh, if you don't have any CTEK charger, why would I need this? Well, this is also good if you have a CTEK charger, because this is a connector. If you hardwire your car to your battery with a CTEK charger, you can replace that connect with this connector, and you can tell the status of your battery. But if you don't have any CTEK charger, it's also good. You can install this on any car, on any battery, and it will also indicate what's the status of your battery. So you don't really need to have this to have a CTEK charger. You can also use this as a battery status indicator. So this is good if you have multiple cars, you don't know if you need to charge or not. If you connect this to your battery, and you can always check the status of your battery by looking at the lights according to the spec of the light output here. So you don't need to whip out your multimeter and test the battery. So this doesn't drain your battery. It's just an indicator with a small LED inside that monitors your battery, what's the status of your battery, if it's still good or not. So you don't need to worry. No CTEK charger, you can still install this on your car as a battery monitor. But if you have a CTEK charger, it's also good because you can use the connector to connect your CTEK here. And also, if you don't use the CTEK charger, you can see the indication of your status on your battery, the actual battery on your car. So which is also good. Now we're gonna try to install this today on my car, but before we do that, we're gonna check the rest of my cars by using this as a tester for the battery. But you can also hardwire this to your battery all the time, so you always know what is the status of your battery. So you can connect the positive terminal on this side and the negative terminal on this side. You can leave it in your car if you want to. There's no problem with that. So now let's go and check it out. So here's the positive terminal of the BMW, and here's the ground. And see what's the status of my battery. We just have to hold it, and we'll see what's on the light of my CTEK indicator. So I'm getting a red blinking. If you can see, it's blinking red. So that means it needs to be charged right now. Well, I haven't started the car for a while, so that's why maybe it's a bit drained. We will see after when I charge it if it's still a good battery or not. So here's my Honda CR-V. Check it out. It's really snowing outside, so here we have the battery. That's a positive, that's a negative. I'm just gonna put the indicator here so we can see. So here's the positive, That's a negative. This one also need to be charged. See? The light says red. So that means 2 cars right now I need to charge. See, this removes the guesswork of thinking, oh, do I need to charge or what? No. Now we know we need to charge it. It's blinking red. So I'm gonna charge this car too. So we got 2 cars that need to be charged. So here I got my Ford Focus ST. Take out this battery cover. So here's the positive and this is the ground. Negative here, positive here. Maybe because it's cold last night, so all my cars need charging. Okay, blinking red. So 3 cars need to be charged. Well, it dipped down to minus 20 last night, so that's why probably the batteries are weak right now. So that's why it needs charging. As you can see, it's still snowing outside and it's really cold still. But last night it was minus 20, and that's why maybe the battery are all weak right now. So we have a good indication here that this car also needs to be charged. So we have 3 cars to charge right now. So because the temperature dipped down to minus 20 last night, we know the 3 cars need to be charged. And the one I have here, this is sitting in the garage all night on a charger. We're gonna check it out, what the indicator will say. This is the hard wiring I did for my CTEK charger on my BMW. This is the one I'm gonna replace, but I'm not gonna show that on the video because I already did the hard wiring video before. So if you wanna check it out, I'll put down the link down below. But now we're gonna check the indicator. What is the status of my battery right now? This one has been charged overnight with a trickle charger, and then we'll see if the CTEK trickle charger did a good job in charging this battery. The positive terminal is inside this cover and the negative terminal is here. Once again, I'm gonna hold the indicator to see what kind of battery we have right now. I'm just gonna hold it. You see that? I'm getting the green light. So that means the battery is fully charged. Battery is okay. So this indicator is working properly. Like I said, this connector will be replaced by this. If you know how to do the hard wiring for this F-Series BMW, if you want to know how to do that, I have the link on the video down below. I did that previously, so I don't need to redo it again. I just want to tell you guys that this one, the regular connector, will be replaced with the COM port indicator. So at least every time I check out my battery, I just have to look on this LED. If I get a green light, that's good. So guys, for this CTEK COM port indicator, I think it's a good addition to your car to make sure that you always have a good battery in your car without in doubt if your battery is still okay or not. And also, no more guesswork if you need to charge your battery or not. So guys, that's it for the videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. And by the way guys, I'm gonna put down the link down below for the COM port indicator from CTEK if you're interested. And guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.